Now, theorem of areas of similar triangles. Understanding. Here, when triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of similar triangle is equal to the square of their corresponding sides ratio. That means ratio of areas of two similar triangle equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Right now we are proving area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to AB square upon PQ square. That doesn't mean it is only AB square plus PQ square, but it is also BC square upon QR square and AC square upon PR square. But right now we will prove only this, and similarly we can show BC square upon QR square and AC square upon PR square. Now for that it should be given that triangles are similar. Triangles are similar. So first we will write proof. This is just understanding. So the steps and all the things are not 100% accurate and in order. Okay, so we are just understanding how to do it. So the first step, that both triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That means angle B is congruent to angle Q. Correct? Angle B is congruent to angle Q. Reason will be CACT. Angle B is congruent to angle Q. Reason we will write CACT. And sides are proportional. Sides are proportional, so we will write AB upon PQ. Right now, first two, then second two. So BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. And reason CSST. And here also they are similar, so CAST will come, similar triangles. So we'll mark this important point as 1 and this as 2. Now here sides are proportional, so AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR and AC upon PR. Next, now we will take these two triangles. We know these are perpendiculars. AD and PS are perpendicular on BC and QR respectively. So in triangle ADB and triangle PSQ, do you think these are similar triangles? Answer yes. They are also similar triangle. By which test? By AAA test of similarity. See, here angle B is congruent to angle Q. It is already proved. Angle D is congruent to angle S, each 90 degree. And angle A is congruent to angle P, which is remaining angle of triangle. Therefore, both triangles are similar by AAA test of similarity. So by AA test, we have proved triangle ABD similar to triangle PQS, right? AAA test of similarity. Now as these triangles are also similar, the sides are proportional, so AB upon PQ equal to BD upon QS equal to AD upon PS. We'll mark it as 3. Now you can see here AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ are equal, right? They are, that is common. That is common. Are you getting? That is both. Now continue. Now the third one. We know the ratio of area of any two triangle equal to the ratio of the product of their corresponding base and height. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Theorem 1, the ratios of areas of any two triangle equal to product of base into height for this triangle, and for the other triangle QR into PS. QR into PS equal to BC upon QR into AD upon PS. Now BC upon QR, will mark it as 4. Now BC upon QR. Now see, BC upon QR is AB upon PQ. From 2, and AD upon PS. AD upon PS is also AB upon PQ from 3. AD upon PS is also equal to AB upon PQ from 3. From 2 and 3. Therefore AB into AB, AB square, and PQ into PQ, PQ square. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to AB square upon PQ square. and that means that we have proved this thing, correct? Similarly, we can prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQ are equal to AB square plus PQ square equal to BC square upon QR square equal to AC square upon PR square. Similarly, that's okay. So this is the end of this theorem, right? It is bit lengthy but not that difficult, and it is very important. Now the actual theorem of area of similar triangles. Statement: when two triangles are similar, that is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, the ratio of areas of those triangle, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Ratio of square of corresponding side, that is AB square upon PQ square equal to BC square upon QR square equal to AC square upon PR square. Now construction: draw segment AD perpendicular to side BC and B dash D dash C. Similarly, PS perpendicular to QR and Q dash S dash R. Now proof. Here in actual thing we will change the order. First we will write the ratio of areas of two triangle, not a similar triangle, two triangle, which is the product of ratio of their corresponding base and height. So first we will write that. So proof: area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to product of base and height. BC into AD upon QR into PS. The reason will be ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their base and corresponding heights. Yes, you have to write this full statement. Now we will separate them. That is area of triangle, therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to BC upon QR into AD upon PS. We will mark this as 1. Now already we know triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, which is given. So since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, which is given. As triangles are similar, sides are proportional, so we'll write AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. We'll mark this as 2. Corresponding sides of similar triangles, or you can write CSST. Next, as sides are proportional, even angle Q is congruent to angle B, that is angle, not that is and angle B is congruent to angle Q. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. We'll mark it as 3. Now we will consider next two triangles. These two triangles, we have to prove them similar. right? Just what we learned in understanding the concept. Now in triangle ADB and triangle PSQ, angle B is congruent to angle Q from 3. Angle ADB is congruent to angle PSQ, each 90 degree, and therefore triangle ADB is similar to triangle PSQ. Reason: AA test of similarity. That's all. Okay, so we have proved the second triangle is also similar, as this triangle ADB similar to PSQ. ADB similar to PSQ. So I'll continue from the same. Triangle ADB similar to triangle PSQ. PSQ. Already we have done it at the last by A test of similarity. As we know, the triangles are similar now, therefore sides are proportional. Therefore AB upon PQ equal to AD upon PS equal to DB upon SQ. Reason: CSCT, that is corresponding sides of similar triangles, and we will mark it as 4 because already we have marked 1, 2 and 3, so this will be 4th. Now therefore area of triangle. Now we know AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ is common, AB upon PQ and AB upon PQ is common, right? So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in triangle ABC and PQR, BC upon QR, BC upon QR means AB upon PQ we can write, and AD upon PS, AD upon PS we can write AB upon PQ. So from 1, this is 1, from 2 and from 4. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to AB upon PQ, instead of this, into AB upon PQ, because of this, right now AD upon PS equal to AB upon PQ. So we have written this. So from 1, 2 and 4, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to AB square upon PQ square. We will mark this as 5. Now we know AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. Therefore AB square upon PQ square equal to BC square upon QR square and AC square upon PR square. So from 2 and 5, from 2 and 5, from 2 and 5, from 2 and 5, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to AB square upon PQ square equal to BC square upon QR square equal to AC square upon PR square. Hence proved. So this is the theorem number 6, theorem of area of similar triangle. This theorem is very important.